So today we're going to test out this new tiller we just got on the V1000 over at my buddy's house. His garden closed it down for the end of the year. We're gonna till the ground, get it ready for winter. Test out the tiller, see how it does.
finished product. Tiller does a great job. Get you a look here at the underside of it. Check out these tines. They do a really good job. This one doesn't have the adjustments to where you can lower the legs down and it'll only till so deep, so you're in complete control of that. This one goes, I would say, 3 to 4 inches. I'll stick my hand in it real quick. You can see. And just soft. Look, just sinks right down in there. Yeah, probably 3-4 inches deep. Nice soft tilled ground.
Well, that's the end of that. That is our auction tiller. The name on this one, what does it say? CAPTOK. First time I've heard of that. We picked that up at auction, and we got it because we wanted to test it for one. I knew the V1000 would run it. I didn't know if it would withstand the V1000. But no leaks. The pump didn't leak. Everything worked great. It exceeded my expectations. I'm planning to do some tilling with this thing. Just tilled this garden for my buddy. This was a previous garden, so yes, I expect it'll do a little different on fresh new hard ground. But man, the thing did great. Thanks for watching. We appreciate everyone's support. Hit that like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.